Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs related to economics, which are asked in most of the competitive exams. Now, let's get into the video. Here we are with our first question. Dumping activity is mostly seen in which of the following type of market? The answer is monopoly. Dumping activity is seen in monopoly type of market. Revealed preference theory was proposed by which of the following scientists? The answer is Som Nelson. Our next question is, reward of enterprise is profit. Our next question is, labor is which type of factor of production? The answer is active. Labor is an active type of factor of production. Indian farming is which type of economy? Indian farming is mixed type of economy. Liquidity preference theory was based on demand pull theory and it was proposed by Keynes. Income tax is which type of tax? Income tax is a direct type of tax. VAT, value added tax, is which type of tax? Value added tax is an indirect type of tax. First state to adopt VAT in India is Haryana. Haryana was the first state to adopt VAT in India. Lowest GDP from agriculture in India was obtained during which 5-year plan? Lowest GDP was obtained during third 5-year plan. Total returns is equals to total cost occurs at which situation? Total returns equal to total cost is at break-even point. Total assets divided by total liability is a formula for which of the following? Net capital ratio. The formula for net capital ratio is total assets divided by total liabilities. Gross income divided by cost of cultivation is a formula for which of the following? It is a formula for benefit cost ratio. In cooperative farming, both ownership and operations are individual. In specialized farming, the percentage of total contribution from single enterprise should be greater than 50%. If the contribution from a single enterprise is greater than 50%, then it is called as specialized farming. Theory of inflation was given by which of the following scientists? The answer is A.P. Lerner. Which of the following cost is always in cash terms? The answer is variable. Variable cost is always in cash terms. Total operation cost divided by total profit is a formula for which of the following? It is a formula for operating cost. Operating cost equals to total operational cost by total profit. World Trade Organization was set up in which of the following year? World Trade Organization was set up in the year 1995. National Institute of Agriculture Marketing is located at Jaipur. Minimum support price is announced by Commission of Agricultural Cost and Prices. Which of the following is a current asset? Cash, seed and fertilizer, all the three comes under current asset. Agriculture year starts from 1st of which month of every year? Agriculture year starts from 1st of June month of every year. Shivaraman Committee is related to which of the following institutes? Shivaraman Committee is related to NABARD. Agriculture Produce Act was passed in which of the following years? Agriculture Produce Act was passed in the year 1937. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World.